So hi, good day everyone. Today I'm going to present to you an innovative invention called AutoPack, the smart self-organizing backpack. So this prototype is designed to change the way we use backpacks, making them not just a storage pack but a smart companion for everyday life. So ang AutoPack ay isang smart backpack na tumutulong sa mga estudyante, travelers at professionals para mas maging madali at organize ang pagpapadala ng mga gamit mo araw-araw. Hindi lang ito basta bag, isa itong intelligent backpack na marunong mag-ayos at mag-track ng mga gamit mo sa loob. So, ito ay mas maging madali at may charging system, smart tracking at automatic organization. Kaya hindi mo kailangang maghanap ng gamit mo sa bag. Of this is to create a backpack that automatically organizes, tracks, and charge your items, combining convenience, smart technology, and innovation for students, travelers, and professionals. So, ang purpose ng AutoPack ay ayusin ang mga problema ng mga ordinaryong backpack na madaling magulo at mahirap hanapan ng mga gamit mo. Diba mas madalas tayong nag-aaksaya ng oras o kaya panahon sa kakahanap ng ballpen, cellphone o kaya susi. Kaya ginawa itong AutoPack para mag-organize, mag-charge at mag-protect ng item mo automatically. So, the problem is disorganization, waste time, lack of technology, integration, and limited comfort for security. So, ang AutoPack aims to solve these everyday problems through intelligent decision and automation. Una siya yung mga key benefits niya. First is save time by auto-sorting items. Second is prevent loss of valuables through smart tracking. Third is eco-friendly with solar charging. Fourth is enhances travel safety with anti-theft features. Fifth is reduces back strain through smart weight balancing. So, first is nakakatipid ng oras. Second is nakakatrack ng mga gamit. Third, solar-powered at eco-friendly. May anti-theft system and comfortable gamitin ito. Una siyang mga key benefits of Auto Backpack Smart Self-Organizing Backpack. These are the traditional backpacks problems. First is disorganization. Second is waste time. Third is lack of technology integration. Fourth is limited comfort and security. So, the AutoPack aims to solve these everyday problems through intelligent design and automation. And these are the materials for us to prepare in order to build an AutoPack smart self-organizing backpack. So, the materials are recycled nylon, aluminum frame, flexible electronic fabric, and microcontroller